supply chain and its management. Boosting the economy. Increasing productivity. Mandatory requirement of every company and human being. Controlling foods. Controlling goods. Supply chain covers, cater. Logistics management. Material management. Inventory management. Distribution. Packaging. Production. Effective supply chain. Timely supply of raw material. Better inventory controls. Consistent manufacturing. Control prices. Control human resource. Control internal processes. Supreme marketing research. Effective predicts and forecasting. Using best practices. Timely supply or goods in markets. We offer supply chain courses. Diploma in Supply Chain Management. Certified Supply Chain Professional. SAP MM. SAP SD. SAP PM. SAP PP. Oracle SCM. Our strength. More than 150,000 has been trained. More than 500 accredited certified trainers. Since 1997. More than 200 comprehensive certifications. Association with 16 international bodies. Presence in 4 countries. Contact us.